Welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing acids and bases, specifically predicting the product and neutralization. Let's start. Some information that you may need to know prior to start working on the problems are strong acids and weak acids. Starting with the strong acids, we have HBr, HCl, HNO5, HI, HClO4, and HClO3. The weak acids are H2SO5, CH3, COOH, HCO2H, H3PO4, HNO2, and HF. Know that the strong acids yield directly while the weak acids are at equilibrium. Now let's move on to what you need to know for bases. Like acids, bases have strong and weak solutions. The strong bases are BaOH2, LiOH, NaOH, KOH, CaOH2, and SrOH2. The weak bases are NH3, CH3,2NH, and CH3NH2. The same rule applies for the bases with the quote-unquote yields and equilibrium. Predicting the products. Facts to know for predicting the products. If the molecule reacting with the water molecule is an acid, the products contain the molecule H3O plus. If the molecule reacting with the water molecule is a base, the products contain the molecule OH minus. Okay, now let's do a step-by-step example for predicting the products. For example, NaF plus H2O. The first step is to identify your bases and acids, and whether they are strong or weak. Second step, identify which equation arrow you should use. In this case, it's an equilibrium. Third step, for bases, if ionic, split them apart. Fourth step, add water to the negatively charged molecule F minus. So the equilibrium is at F minus plus Na plus H2O. Fifth step, balance out the equation. F minus plus H2O, which turns into HF plus OH, negative. Equilibrium is at HF plus OH minus plus Na plus. The sixth step is replace the F minus in the equation with HF plus OH minus. How about you try this on your own? So HCl plus H2O. I'll give you a few seconds before the answer is revealed. If you need more time, pause the video. The answer is, drumroll please, HCl plus H2O yields H3O plus Cl minus. Did you get it correct? If not, don't worry, there's still time to learn. These are the steps to the answer, HCl plus H2O. Step 1. Identify the acids/bases and whether they are weak or strong. Step 2. Since it's a strong acid, the arrow must show that the arrow yields directly. So H3O plus Cl minus. Step 3. Since it is an acid, H2O will take H from HCl, which becomes Cl minus. Step 4. Rewrite the equation after finding the products. So HCl plus H2O yields H3O plus Cl minus. Let's move on to neutralization. Facts you need to know. The base and the acids will lose hydrogen to form the product H2O. The products will always contain water. The reactants are acid and bases that form water and a salt or an ionic compound. Since it is a neutralization, the reactants will yield towards the product side. Let's do an example. HCl plus NaOH. Step 1. There will always be water molecules on the product side of a neutralization reaction. Step 2. The product takes the hydrogen and the OH from the reactants to and from water, H2O. Step 3. After the H2O is created from taking out the hydrogen and the OH from the reactants, next step is to create the ionic compound. To do so, identifying the remaining molecules. Step 4. When Na and Cl are combined, the form NaCl, which is an ionic compound, is created. And then you must balance the equation. Step 5. After finding both products, rewrite the reaction with the products that we found. Okay, so now let's try an example on your own. HI plus NaOH. I'll give you a few seconds to work. If you need more, pause this video. The answer is, drumroll please, H2O plus NaI. Now we'll see how to find the answer for HI plus NaOH. Step 1. There will always be water molecules on the product side of a neutralization reaction. Step 2. The quote-unquote product takes the H and the OH from the reactants to form water, which is H2O. After the H2O is created from taking out the H and the OH from the reactants, the next step would be to create the ionic compound or salt. To do so, identify the molecules remaining. Step 4. Balance the reaction. Step 5. After finding both products, rewrite the reaction with the products that we found. Get it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Comment down below any new topics you would like us to upload on this channel. Hope you liked our work because we put all our blood, sweat, and tears into it. Thank you. Have a blessed day.